Small form factor PCs are often held back by their power supplies, but what can be achieved with an extra one? To figure this out, I took a Lenovo ThinkCentre M73 and made some adjustments. For comparison, the average ThinkCentre is about a 240 watt power supply, because that's all it really needs to power the essentials. But, can the average ThinkCentre do this? Originally, this PC came with an i3-4130, 4GB of RAM and a 500GB hard drive, with a conservative 240 watts to power it all. But thanks to the addition of this FSP 600W PSU, it can handle the fairly power-hungry R9 270X. Additionally, I brought the amount of total RAM up to 8GB and threw in some extra storage. Using an additional motherboard to get the second PSU to boot wasn't quite working, but my good friend Lemon stepped in to provide a much needed switch for the second PSU, and with that, the PC was working again. Checking Radeon settings confirmed that the R9 270X was running at its normal 1100 MHz, meaning everything seemed to be working pretty much perfectly. But in order to confirm that the PC worked as it should, I had to benchmark. To do so, I picked out some fairly recent games to throw at the PC, most of which were from the past 5 or so years. Some that should be a bit of a breeze for the PC, and others that will challenge it a bit more. All games were tested at 1080p and recorded using Radeon Relive. Despite the 270X being held back by the i3, this PC performs fairly well, and the extra PSU expanded what this PC could do, while not causing any issues at all. Personally, I'd call this a successful PC experiment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.